Okay, here's another type of domain and range graph. This is called a parabola. A parabola is like a U-shaped curve. Okay? Okay, so domain. I know domain is my x values from least to greatest. So I want to start from my left on my x-axis and look to see what I see. Well, I look up here and I see this is an arrow. So that means this is going to keep going on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever, expanding that way. And then I'm going to keep going. And I see there's a line that goes over here, then I see another arrow this way. So this arrow is going to tell me it's going to keep going on forever and ever and ever and ever, keep going that way, right? So my x value could literally be any number, because if I go over here to like negative 100, it would still show up here on the graph somewhere. Same if I went to like 10, like way over here, I go up, it would be hit the graph somewhere, right? So my domain can be any number. So my domain, or my x, could be all real numbers. Remember when we learned all real numbers and I said it looks kind of like an R, like a capital R? That capital R means all real numbers. Kind of like an R with an extra line in it. That means my x value, or my domain, can be any x value. Okay? If I'm looking for my range, I know my range is my y values. It's my y values. So I'm going to start down here, and I see that this parabola, this curve, starts right here at negative 3. That's where the lowest point is, right? It dips down, stops at negative 3, and then goes right back up again. So the smallest y value it could be is negative 3. But it can go up to any y value up top, because these are going to keep going on forever, right? So it's going to keep going up and up and up and up and up to positive infinity. So that means y, or my range is my y, is greater than or equal to negative 3. Because the smallest value it could be is negative 3. And it can be any number bigger than that. And that's the domain and range of this graph.